show this real quick, so I gotta get upstairs too. Okay, so we'll talk about 1 second a pad. This is the easiest way to do it. So I just grabbed somebody's program from 385, and so we got this, right?
No problem. I complied completely.
Let me trim the front of this a little bit too. So what we're looking at, we're looking to where we want the audio to start, right? So let's do this too. So let's say this is the clip we put down here,
I complied completely. I tried being as transparent as possible.
and let's say we want to start with I comply completely. That's where our bite wants to start. Now we always ask you for 1 second of pad, which is basically 1 second of silence with video, right? So we want the video, but we don't want to hear till the part you want to do. So the easiest way to do this, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So I'm right at the front of this, and I'm going to find where I wanted to start.
I complied.
So right where it is where I want to start. So I'm going to hit the letter M, and it's going to put a little, I can barely see it. See the little purple marker right there? It puts a marker. So that's, I've marked where I want the audio to start. And it could be anywhere. It could be here if you want it to be, right?
But the fact that
So if I want to start on but, which I wouldn't, unless I, and I hit the letter M, it puts a little marker. What that does is gives you, you see how the cursor kind of snaps to that magnetically? I know I'm right on that,
but the fact
right?
that
So if I, let's say that's where I want to start. So I'm going to trim all the way to the marker, right? Now that I found the place where I want to start, I want to go back a second on the timeline. So you hit minus, and watch the time code here. When I hit minus, right? And I do 100, that's 1 second, 1 frame and 0 seconds, right? I mean 0 frames, 1 second and 0 frames. And I hit enter and watch the timeline. It went back a second, right? So now I know if I hit play, I'm still gonna hear audio, but
it's a little,
when I get to that purple marker, I'm at 1 second. So now I just want to get rid of the audio that's left of that marker. This is where the range selector tool is, my favorite tool. Either hit the little cursors here or hit the letter R. I usually use the keyboard shortcut. And I go down to the audio only, right, because I've expanded it. I drag that and I just drag the audio down. So now I have silence for a second.
but the fact that I had to delete my footage, I
So
think
that's that pad we need, because and the reason we need pad is, you'll see upstairs, when we say take the video, we're gonna see that slate for 1 frame, and then we have to go from seeing it in preview to program. It's about 10 frames. So we gotta have the 1 second so we don't hear the person talking before they actually get on camera. That make sense?